Hello, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and in this video we'll learn how to set up and use your DJI Mini 3. Let's start with what's inside the box. So you'll find the DJI Mini 3 drone, a remote controller, a battery, a micro SD card, 2 charging cables. If you got the Fly More combo, you'll also get extra batteries and a charging hub. Now that we know what's inside the box, let's learn how to set it up. Start by unfolding the drone arms. We'll start with the arms on the top first and then the bottom arms, like this, very gently. Now, insert the battery at the back until it clicks. And then insert the SD card in the SD card slot. Also, make sure to remove the gimbal cover, rotate the drone and remove the cover very gently by opening the bottom side of the cover first. You'll also see these 2 controller screws given at the back. Just take them out and screw them on the controller like this. Now that we have set it up, let's turn it on. Press the power button once on the controller and hold it for 3 seconds. You will see the lights glow and hear a sound. Same way, press the power button on the drone and hold it for 3 seconds. You will see the lights and hear a sound. Also, the propeller will vibrate. That means it's powering up. Now this is how your display on the controller will look like after turning them on. Now here's a quick look on the controls. This button is return to home, which sends the drone back to the takeoff point. This is the mode switch, which toggles between normal, sign and sports mode. If you press this button, it will click photos, and if you press this button, it will record videos. On the left, this is the gimbal dial, which moves the gimbal up and down. On the right, this is the camera control dial to help with zoom in and zoom out. On the back of the controller, we have C1 to position the gimbal totally downward and C2 to switch between portrait and landscape modes. Once everything is set, tap on the takeoff symbol on the screen and press it for 3 seconds. To land it, tap on the land symbol on the screen and press it for 3 seconds. Now, if you use the left stick, it will help to go up and down and rotate. If you use the right stick, it will help to fly forward, backward and side to side. Remember guys, always fly in open areas and stay within legal height limits. To turn off the drone and the controller, press once and then press and hold the power button until the lights go off. Now let's learn how to fold it back. So to do that, fold the arms very gently, just like this. Now put on the gimbal cover very gently. To do that, rotate the drone, put the cover and give a gentle press on the bottom. Then let's learn how to charge it. You need to put the battery inside the drone to do that. There is a charging port on the drone. Use the USB-C cable, one end connected to the drone and the other connected to the power source. You also need to charge the controller using the USB-C cable, one end to the controller and the other end to a power source. Now lastly, let's learn how to transfer the files. You can take out the micro SD card and use a card reader, or insert the micro SD card in the controller and connect it to a laptop via USB-C cable. And that's it, your DJI Mini 3 is all set to fly. If you found this content informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.